I'm gonna try using the carpet sweeper for picking up the birdseed peels from the lawn. Excuse the noise, there's some bit of constructions going on at the neighbor. So let's see. Seems like a sensible choice since it should roll the seeds right into the waste canister. I can see it's working a bit. I think it's actually working. It might be doing a good job. Let's check out what it grabbed. Okay, so looking at its components, it's not a good idea since they're getting covered with dirt and the grass. So yeah, this maybe you want to get a dedicated one for doing this, but yeah, pretty good job, pretty good. This side of the waste canister is full with bird seeds, our target, and this one too. So yeah, it works excellently. But yeah, I can't use this since it's not dedicated for outside use. It's covered with it's getting covered with mud and everything that's in here. The brushes are becoming solid. Maybe the hose can be taken to them, but overall it can work. Can clean up our yard pretty well.